Good morning, kindergarten. This is Miss Preston with our math video for Tuesday, May 19th. Today we will be counting across tens again to 100, but this time by ones. By ones to 10. I will explain more of what that means when we begin. Before we begin that, we're going to do a counting to 100 by tens practice of our lesson we did yesterday. So yesterday we counted to 100 by tens. So go ahead with me. Right now we're going to start at this 10 and we're going to count all the way up by 100. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's say this the say 10 way so that we understand that each of these is a group of 10. Ready? 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 10, 10. So each of these are all groups of 10. 20 is 2 groups of 10. 80 is 8 groups of 10. 50, how many groups of 10 would 50 be? 5 groups of 10. 100, how many groups of 10 would 100 be? 10. So these are all groups of 10. And a group of 10 has 10 ones. Keep that in mind for our lesson today. Let's go through this one more time, counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job. Okay, I would like you to open up your composition book and grab a pencil. We are going to do some teen number bond practice. So go ahead and grab your pencil, go to the next open page in your composition book. At the top of the page, you can write teen number bonds. When you have that written at the top, you can write your 2 problems. You'll be working on 14 and 18. So both will have number bonds set up underneath. 3 circles with their lines. So 2 problems, 14 and 18. Take a few minutes, pause this video, correctly break up 14 and 18 into your number bonds. Before I send you off to do that, we're going to do, I'm going to help you we're going to do the say 10 way to break up 14. So how do we say 14 in the say 10 way? 10, 4. Great job, 10, 4. So we said that in the say 10 way. So we know 10 and 4 is how we break up our 14. So keep that in mind for your number bond. How do we say 18 in the say 10 way? 10, 8. Great job, 10, 8. Because 18 can be broken up into 10 ones and 8 ones. So go ahead and pause this video. Take a few minutes to fill in your number bond and come back and we'll go over it together. All right, great job, guys. So we have our number bonds for 14 and 18. Let's go ahead and start with 14 and put our numbers in the right spots. Okay, so I know my total will always go in the circle all by itself. So what number will go in this top circle? 14, great job, because that is the number we are breaking up. 14 can be broken up into 10 ones and 4 ones. Give yourself a woot woot if that is what you had for this first number bond. 14 is broken up into 10 and 4. Say that with me. 14 can be broken up into 10 ones and 4 ones. Okay, we have the number 18 right here. 1, 8. 18 is broken up into 10 ones and 8 ones. All right, I know in my top circle, does my 8 go here? Nope. Does my 10 go here? Nope. My 18 goes here because it is my total number, my largest number. 18 is broken up into 10 ones and 8 ones. Say that with me. 18 is broken up into 10 ones and 8 ones. Great job. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started with our lesson for today. So what we are doing today is we are going to be counting between each of our tens by ones. All right, before we do that, let's start with our tens here on the side. Let's go ahead and count to 100 again by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 over here. Let's count backwards this time. Ready? 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Okay, guys, so we have ones in between each of our tens. We have our 0 here. It'd be just like we're counting to 10. Let's go ahead and count to 10. All of these dots because we have a group of 10 circles here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If we were going to go to 20, let's count our ones to 20. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's go ahead and count to 30 now. Ready? 20, 21, 22. And they're up here if you need to see the ones number. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So to say your ones, you simply say the tens number and then the ones. So let's jump down and do a practice one. Let's go to 70 right here, 70. 70 is a group of 7 tens. 70. Let's count all the way up to 80. We're going to count the ones in 70. You ready? 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Great job. Okay, let's jump to 40. Please locate 40. Where is the 40 on this problem? Right here. 4 groups of 10. 4, 10. Okay, 40. Let's count the ones in 40. Remember, we start each number by saying 41, 40. So you always say the 40 and then your ones. Ready? Go ahead with me. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, let's try one more practice. Let's do 30. 30 is 3 groups of 10. 30. Say that number with me. 30. All right, so you say the 30 and then the 1. You ready? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. What comes next? 40. Great job. So this will be a practice of counting just all the way up to 100. After this, you guys will be able to count from 0 all the way up to 100. Remember to keep in mind to say the ones. All you do is say the tens that you're on and then the ones. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So before you do your problem set today, I would like you to go through this slide right here, what we're working on right here, and just count from 0 all the way to 100 by ones. So you'll go through the ones, the tens, the teen numbers here, 20s, 30s, 40s. So let's practice again counting from 0 to 30. You ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we're at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we're at 20, which is 2 groups of 10. We see we have 2 groups of 10 here. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 now. We went all the way to 30. Go ahead and pause this video and practice doing 30 to 50. Counting the ones, count from 30 to 50. Go ahead, pause this and come on back. Okay, great job, guys. Let's practice that 30 to 50. You ready? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Great job, guys. We just counting from 0 to 50. So we're halfway there. You guys are doing a great job, and you're going to be able to count from 0 to 100 with practice. So once we continue to practice this counting of 0 to 100, everyone will be pros and experts at counting from 0 to 100. Let's go ahead and count by tens here so that we can practice these tens names, each of these groups. So that's what we need to know first. How to say these names so that we can say the ones with them. Ready? Let's count from 10 to 100 by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So if you need just a little more practice of the names of these tens, go ahead and pause this and go back a few seconds to when we were just practicing this. And you can just continue to practice the names for these groups of tens, because that will help you be able to do the ones then after. Let's go through one more time and practice the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, let's do some more practice with the ones in each group. Let's go to 60. So let's practice the ones with 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. What comes next? 70. Let's try 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. What comes next? 80. So all of these circles are the ones in each group of 10. If you will need a reminder, all of those numbers are up at the very top. 1 through 9 you will use for each group of 10. So go ahead right now. After we're going to go check out the problem set for today. But when we're all set with that, go back to that slide and just practice counting from 0 to 100 by ones. Remember, each group of 10 will have the same ones you will say each time. Okay, today you will complete lesson 16 problem set. Make sure it has the K5 at the top right corner. Today you will be counting up or down by ones. Help the animals and the girl get what they want. Okay, so we need to get the apple over here to the apple. So in each group, we are at a different group of 10. This first one, we are in the 20s. This second one, we're in the 40s. This third one, what group of 10 are we in? The 90s. And this last one, what group of 10 are we in? The 60s. So let's go ahead and start with this first group here. We're going to be counting from 20 to 30, and you will fill in the numbers that are missing. So let's go ahead and try this first one together. So we have 20. What number comes after 20? 21. Great. Remember the 20 and the 1. 2, 1. All right. 20, 21, 22. What comes next? 23. Great job. 2 tens and a 3. 24. What's after 24? 25. All right, 26. What comes after 26? Great job. 27, 28, and 29. So you'll put 28 here and 29. So that's how you complete this first one. And then you'll go down to the and 29 right here. All right, then you can go down to the second one. You will fill in the numbers 40 through 48. In the 90s, you'll fill in the numbers 92 to 99. Okay, and then this last one will be a little challenge. First, you will start to count up. You will go from 63, 64, what comes after 64? 65, 66, 67. But now it's telling you to stop and count down. So you will count down from 66. So 66, what comes one before 66? 65. Let's do this one together. 66, one less than 66 is 65. Now we are counting down. 65, what comes before 65? 64. And then what number comes before 64? 63. So if you look at it the other way, 63, 64, 65, 66. Is that correct? Yes, it is. Great job. So here we counted down. So great job with that today, guys. Today we practiced counting our numbers in our ones between our tens. So it will just be a lot of practice. And then we'll be super great experts at counting between 0 all the way to 100 by ones. So it'll be just continued practice of looking at that side and counting between 0 and 100. So great job today. Complete lesson 16 problem set and upload this to your portfolio page. Have a great day, guys.